Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel called Bloom Boutique. So in this channel, we're going to be talking about embroidery, sewing, and Etsy business. We're going to be mainly doing all those and tutorials here. But today, I'm coming on to show you guys that I got a new Rollo printer. And yeah, so I just bought some label, the Rollo printer, and the stand to hold the label. And then I bought this to make like sticker, but I'm going to also use to do for my inventory. Like I have a lot of fabric and blinks, and that's mainly what I use for the business. So I need to inventory all my fabric and blinks now. And so for this, I want to print out like my barcode for each of the item that I'm gonna, like when I buy it, I'm gonna put into the app that I found to do inventory for me. The app is called Surely. I mentioned it in earlier videos. I don't know which video I mentioned in, but in earlier videos that I'm going to try that app, and then I will test it out after a month. I will do a video of how it's working for me and how it's keeping up. So that app is just mainly an app that's going to track my inventory, like when I buy fabrics and blinks, and then I can generate a barcode here and print it out on this label using this roll printer, and then just stick onto like my fabric. So each time when I use that particular fabric, I can scan it in and just decrease the amount that I have used, and also with the blinks too. So this is how I store my blinks. They're in these bin, and yeah, I just use what I have. It's not working so well, but then that's what I have. And because I don't like that, I have like 5 different sizes in here, and I have to search through the size, but it still works. So I'm just gonna keep it this way. And since I already have this unit, I don't want to sell it and buy a new unit to store all the blinks. I know that a lot of people like the stackable bin, but I already have this IKEA collect, so why not use it, right? So anyways, in the next clip, I'm gonna have my husband come and help me install this, and then we're going to print out one of the barcode and see how I label onto my fabric when I buy my fabrics. Okay, so anyways, you guys take care.
Okay, I need you to load the, where's the small roll?
So my husband is setting up for me. I don't have enough desk space. I'm gonna be setting up on the floor for now, and then fix my desk, and so I can fit that. So.
Do the scissor or the scissor?
So my husband just set up this. So we make sure the Rollo recognize the label that we're using, these tinier labels. And then now he's trying to install the program into my map book. And then I'll show you guys how we create a barcode for my fabrics. So that'll be next. Okay, so this is the app. So I already put this fabric down and all my information. So now my husband's gonna try to generate
The heck?
the code for the fabric here. So we were trying to generate a code for my inventory, but the app requires a pay subscription. So I'm going to try it out for a whole year, but after a month I will share you guys my thoughts. It's $40 a month, so it's a little bit expensive, but with like so much fabric that I have and like different shirts, I think it's worth it for me.
Go, Mommy.
And so I'm gonna give it a try for 1 year and see how it goes. If it works really well, I'm going to be keeping it for my business for a while. So So yeah, so this is the new system that I'm going to implement into my business, and I will share my thoughts after 1 month. Hey you guys, so I'm back here, and I just want to let you guys know that the label that we bought was 2x1, and the preset label from the Shortly website here wanted a 4x2.25. So I have to rebuy it. I didn't check it. So I thought I could use like any label size. But we tried to size it down to this size, and it printed out like, I don't know where my husband put the example, but the QR code was so tiny that we tried to scan it. It didn't scan. So I have to get the right size label. So I will do that in another video, how I inventory and print out the QR code and then place it on my fabric, and then show you guys how it's scanned. So I will do that in a new video. But since I already have these, I decided to just print out my logo. If you guys can see, it's probably blurry because I don't have a zooming. Like, I don't have a little controller to zoom in. But I will do closer shots. But this is how I print it out. So I just go to my laptop here, and I have my logo here. I'm just going to go to File, and then Print, and then choose my printer, which I have the Rollo, and then the paper size is 2x1, and then I just choose how many I want to print. Let's just say like 10, and then I do that, and then it just print. You see how easy it is, just like how Angela showed in her video too. So with these, I'm gonna have my new logo that say Aqua Bloom with this really cute like script font. It's really pretty. I really like it. So I'm gonna be putting this instead of like the thank you. I'm gonna be putting this on like my packaging. Anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys would like to get this one, I will link all the labels and all the stuff that I show here. And just to let you guys know that I just signed up with an Amazon affiliate account. So all the link that I provide will be an Amazon affiliate account with me. So yeah, just gonna put it down if you guys are interested. And if you guys don't have like a printer yet, and you guys are starting Etsy, you guys want to get a printer like this, it will make your life much easier. Like you guys can print shipping label with this, create your own custom label. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching, you guys. Have a good day. Take care. So you guys, so yesterday I was showing my Rollo printer, and I didn't have space, but I made space by just moving my brother printer up on top of that organizer. Just scoot over my Cricut, and then now I have some space right here. So yeah.